This is part 2 for vocabulary set number 1. Directions. Choose the word that completes the sentence and type it into the yellow box below. A forest fire made the frightened herd blank towards the river. A. Demonstrate. B. Stampede. C. Pledge. D. Haul. A forest fire made the frightened herd blank towards the river. Go ahead and type your answer in the yellow spot. You need to pause this video in order to do that. Number 2. To offer helpful advice is to give blank. A. Counsel. B. Haul. C. Celebrity. Or D. Pledge. To offer helpful advice is to give blank. Go ahead and type in the correct word in the yellow box. Number 3. Something that brings suffering is called a blank. A. Hardship. B. Celebrity. C. Counsel. D. Pledge. Something that brings suffering is called a blank. Number 4. By 10 p.m., we were too tired and blank to play chess. A. Humble. B. Sincere. C. Drowsy. Or D. Suitable. By 10 p.m., we were too tired and blank to play chess. Number 5. Bread is blank for making sandwiches. A. Humble. B. Essential. Or C. Drowsy. Bread is blank for making sandwiches. Number 6. Watch carefully as I blank how to make tacos. A. Counsel. B. Demonstrate. Or C. Pledge. Watch carefully as I blank how to make tacos. Number 7. To give a promise is to make a blank. A. Stampede. B. Haul. C. Pledge. Or D. Hardship. To give a promise is to make a blank. Number 8. People who mean what they say are blank. A. Sincere. B. Essential. C. Drowsy. Or D. Suitable. People who mean what they say are blank. A blank gift is one that fits the theme perfectly. A. Humble. B. Essential. C. Suitable. Or D. Drowsy. A blank gift is one that fits the theme perfectly. Number 10. The boss was blank when he took the blame for his employee. A. Humble. B. Essential. C. Suitable. Or D. Drowsy. The boss was blank when he took the blame for his employee. Directions. Use the word bank to fill in the blanks below. Choose the words that make sense. The words in the word bank are demonstrating, sincere, stampede, drowsy, pledge. At the mall yesterday, there was a blank of people who came running out the door. While this was happening, a woman hit me in the face with her purse. She said sorry and seemed really blank. I asked someone why these people were acting this way, and she said it was because Ree Drummond from the Food Network was blank how to make burgers. After the crowd finally calmed down, I made a blank to my husband and told him I would never behave like those crazy people. When I got home, I was so blank from all of the drama, and I went right to bed. Directions. Use the word bank to fill in the blanks below. Choose the words that make sense. Counsel, humble, essential, hardship, suitable. I stayed after class yesterday to talk to my teacher about the blank that my family has been going through lately. She took time to blank me and told me that I can get through this hard time. I learned that it is blank to open up and talk with people around me and to find blank friends who will support me no matter what. I explained to her that my dad was not a blank person because he does not like to open up to people. Instead, he can be hard to get along with and hold things in. When you are finished filling in all of your answers, you will turn in this document. Go back and make sure that you did not miss any of the yellow boxes.